After a toxic relationship, it's not just your heart that's bruised, it's your confidence, your instincts, your sense of self. Let's talk about how to rebuild trust in you. You weren't too sensitive. You weren't imagining things. What you felt was real. Healing starts when you stop gaslighting yourself. Toxic dynamics train you to doubt your instincts. Start small. Notice what feels off, what feels safe, and trust those signals again. You don't have to make big declarations. Just start saying no to things that drain you. Boundaries rebuild self-respect. Speak up, even if your voice shakes. Whether it's a journal, a friend, or a therapist, your truth deserves space. Every time you trust yourself, even a little, it's a win. Healing isn't linear, but it is happening. Rebuilding trust in yourself takes time, but it's possible. You're not broken, you're healing. If you're struggling, talk to someone you trust. A counselor or therapist can help you reconnect with your inner compass. Insight is here to help you see clearly, act wisely, and protect your peace. Subscribe for more emotional armor and share this with someone who may need it.